What's going on, YouTube? It's DJ. Welcome back. So let's talk about XRP for a bit and see how things are going. As of right now, the price is at 54 cents. It's up 3% for the day. Community sentiment is 85% bullish, which is good. $754 million into XRP in 24 hours. So trading volume has exploded for XRP, and it says it surged 47% in 24 hours. It's currently standing at the whopping $754 million level, showing the great interest in XRP from investors and traders. This shows that bulls are returning to the market in anticipation of a potential rally. We know that October is referred to as Uptober, and we know XRP is going to hit $1, $2 plus. The best thing you can do is spot an opportunity when it presents itself. And XRP is only at 54 cents. So how much longer can you wait? XRP to be adopted by big global banks as Ripple eyes growing $16 trillion custody market. The way we see the world economy today is going to be completely different in 10 years from now. Says that the move now positions Ripple to capitalize on the growing custody market, which is expected to reach at least $16 trillion by 2030, according to industry projections, with 10% of the world's GDP anticipated to be tokenized by the same year. Ripple's expanded custody services aim to provide secure, compliant, and flexible options needed to store and manage crypto assets. So we're going to see the global economy become tokenized and on the blockchain. Things are not going to be looking the way they do now. Ripple has been named this year's Tearsheet Co. Power of Payments winner for the best fiat and crypto payments. This award embodies a remarkably innovative year not only at Ripple but for the entire payments industry. XRP institutional buying soars 266% before a key filing in Ripple SEC lawsuit. So it says XRP saw $1.1 million in buying from institutional investors last week as compared to $0.3 million in the previous week, as per CoinShares report on October 14th. Thus, a 266% rise in buying activity was recorded week over week as Ripple and the U.S. SEC prepared for appeals in the circuit court. XRP rally likely as Ripple Swell Conference is held this week. Says XRP gains over 2% on Monday, trades above 54 cents. Ripple Swell, the annual conference held for the payment firm's partners and clients, is scheduled this Tuesday and Wednesday, the 15th and 16th. XRP eyes return to 60 cents, the key psychological barrier for the altcoin. So once we hit 60 cents, the prices will take off from there. A China tsunami has suddenly hit crypto as the Bitcoin price smashes 65,000. Now, as JP Morgan analysts issue a surprise Bitcoin price prediction, traders are betting on a continued rotation out of China stocks and into Bitcoin and crypto because the economy in China is struggling and they just need to boost their economy as much as possible. And that liquidity is going to enter other markets. And that market will be Bitcoin. More than $10 million worth of XRP transferred to Bitstamp. It says $10.3 million worth of XRP was recently transferred from an unknown wallet to the Bitstamp exchange. And I remember about 2 months ago, the price of XRP went down to like 39.40 cents. So people do take profits, obviously. People have been holding XRP for years. And people, a lot of times, they'll move their crypto from a wallet to an exchange. And then they'll get people to have selling pressure. So people will see headlines like this and they'll think, oh, well, since it was transferred, that person obviously sold. But that's not always necessarily the case. So they might just want you to sell your coins, but it doesn't say that they sold their XRP. Google keeps XRP price charts despite ditching Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I wanted to test this myself. So I looked up the XRP price chart and it's still there. And then I looked up the Bitcoin price chart and it's no longer there. So it's true. Ripple CEO criticizes SEC strategy as XRP trails the market. Now, he had a fiery post on X. It says, a new low for the renegade agency many thought couldn't sink further. The SEC now believes it can operate above the law, ignoring a court's ruling that XRP isn't a security. Team Ripple will be watching closely and weighing our own options to hold the SEC accountable. Binomial Exchange LLC has filed suit against the SEC to prevent them overreaching their statutory authority and asserting joint jurisdiction over Binomial's XRP futures contracts, which are under the sole jurisdiction of the CFTC. So, yeah, the SEC, they're just kind of overstepping boundaries at this point, and everyone is sick of it, you know? Everyone's sick of it. We have countries all across the world that are making it easy for crypto companies to go there, operate. We have these countries that are making the taxes lower. They're incentivizing people to move there. And here in the United States, they're just making it as difficult as possible. And things are just so outdated that these companies are just going overseas and innovating. And people are sick of it. However, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next one.